happening? It's Johnny Snow in the building, and here we are again. My gunman done did it to me again. I done picked up another gun, but this gun right here was one that I have been wanting for the longest, all right? And every time I go to get one, they're sold out. So finally, I got me one. Let's go ahead and open this box up. And there's pretty much nothing in this box except for the gun and the magazine. All right, so take it on out. The MasterPiece Arms Reaper Edition. And I have been wanting a Reaper. This is a top cock and 9mm. Let's see this right here. Get this in here. 9mm top cock. Let me move this out of the way because there's really nothing else to look at in there. And this is pretty much like my other one. It's no real big difference except for it charges up top. And the one my MPA 30 DMG, it has a rail up top. But other than that, they look pretty much the same. This one does not use Glock mags like my other one, but who cares? Like I said, this is the Reaper, the Grim Reaper Edition. The Grim Reaper Edition, and I absolutely love this gun. I've been wanting it, and if they would have had this when I bought my other one, I would have got this one instead. You know, and plus the price isn't that bad on these. You know, so I was able to find it brand new, and let's see. Let's test the trigger on this. That's on safe. That's how you change from safe to fire. Safe to fire. So here we go. Let's see what this is. Oh, that ain't bad at all. That is not bad at all. And they have this little trigger condom on here to cushion your finger from trigger slap. Yeah, it's on my 30 DMG as well. And I don't really have that much issue with trigger slap on that one. So we're going to see how this one does. But this is the two-tone Reaper. I've seen other Reapers that were all the way black. And, you know, those were cool too. I would have got it as well. But I'm really digging this two-tone Reaper, the two-tone Reaper. And, you know, this is something I've wanted for a while. So, oh, look at that. Hold on. What does that say? For the flash, smile, wait for the flash. Smile, wait for the flash. All right, yes, I love this gun. I love this gun. This gun is awesome. So, of course, we're going to have the shooting video here pretty soon. Just wanted to share this new pickup with you guys. Hit me in the comments. Tell me what you think. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, and Johnny Snow up out of here.